Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter Q. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर Q का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter Q. लेटर Q पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter Q is K. 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 Letter Q की आवाज है K. 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 Trace letter Q with a pencil. Letter Q पर पेंसिल फेरें. Now we will read keywords from letter Q. अब हम Q से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. K, queen. K, question. K, quill. K, quail. K, queen. K, question. K, quill. K, quail. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. Q letter, Q letter, Q, Q, Q.
Q letter, Q letter, Q, Q, Q.
Q letter, give me some clue.
Q letter, give me some clue.
Now circle letter Q with the given letters. Letter Q के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं.
Connect blanket to the winter with the help of circles. Connect queen to the crown with the help of circles. Connect quail to the quill with the help of circles. Dear teachers, discuss the given picture with children. Introduce letter Q with phonic song. Highlight the importance of being patient and waiting for a turn. Guide children to exhibit good manners by giving turn and offering a seat to elderly, sick and differently abled people. Teacher should make a queue in the classroom and show how we stand in a queue to wait for something. Take children outside the class and let them wait for their turn on swings, etc. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words queue, quilt, question, quail, queen. Ask children why making a queue is important.